Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashland, northeastern Knox, Holmes County and northeast Ohio until 11:15 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 9 miles northwest of Danville and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Holmesville, Danville, Loudonville, Nashville, Glenmont, Kilbeck. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.